Hello, this is Joshua of Green Mountain Mech Works. Today we're going to be installing the left arm on the MARDUK. So let's get to it. I have the Waldo arm or control arm already attached. It's this weird looking goober right here. So all I have to do is attach these two points right here, there, and there, onto the points here and up there. Now that we have the arm installed, we can now try it out, see how it works. Well, that wasn't too bad. Let's get off this giant snowbank and take a look at it. Some of the bolts for the parallelogram are bent because they're only quarter inch, and I found that 3/8 inches is a lot better. It doesn't bend as much. You can see it goes in this way and then bends about 135 degrees to go out the other way. I need to get some bigger bolts for those, and the way the bicep is attached to the shoulder, the PVC isn't glued, so it's actually rotating in these T-joints, so I gotta glue those or come up with some sort of bracing system. Since it is winter and there is snow abound, I'm not going to be leaving this arm outside until I make a dust cover for it. Well, everything's put away, so that is going to wrap up this video. So I will see you next time.